Ever wonder if you're truly anonymous when you're managing your crypto? In a world increasingly focused on digital privacy, especially with sensitive assets like cryptocurrency, this question becomes even more critical. We're talking about your financial footprint online, and for users of Beam Wallet, a platform known for its privacy-centric approach, the thought naturally arises, do I really need a VPN for Beam Wallet? Let's dive into that. Beam is built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which by design offers significant privacy features. Unlike many traditional blockchains where transaction amounts and wallet addresses are public, Beam aims to keep this information confidential. It achieves this through a concept called confidential transactions and dandelion relaying, which makes it incredibly difficult to trace transactions back to specific users or their IP addresses. In essence, Beam is designed from the ground up to be private by default. So, if Beam is already so private, why would a VPN even enter the conversation? Well, while Beam excels at obscuring on-chain transaction data, your internet connection itself can still reveal information. Your internet service provider, ISP, can see that you're connecting to the Beam network. While they won't know the specifics of your transactions, they'll know you're interacting with a cryptocurrency. For some, this alone is a privacy concern. This is where a VPN, or virtual private network, steps in. A VPN encrypts your entire internet traffic and routes it through a server in a location of your choice. This effectively masks your real IP address and makes it appear as though you browse from a different geographical location. For Beam Wallet users, this adds an extra layer of privacy by making it harder for your ISP, or any other entity monitoring your network traffic, to identify that you're engaging with the Beam blockchain. Think of it this way, Beam provides excellent privacy within its own ecosystem. It's like having a secure, soundproof room for your conversations. But if someone can see you entering and exiting that room, a small piece of your privacy is still exposed. A VPN acts as a cloak, making your entry and exit from the room untraceable. Beyond general privacy, a VPN can also offer enhanced security, especially if you're connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often vulnerable to snooping, and a VPN's encryption can protect your data from potential attackers. While Beam Wallet itself has strong security, a VPN acts as a protective shield for your entire internet connection, safeguarding against broader cyber threats. However, it's crucial to understand that a VPN isn't a silver bullet. While it adds a significant layer of anonymity and security, it doesn't guarantee absolute invulnerability. A good VPN service is essential. Free VPNs, in particular, can sometimes compromise your privacy by logging your data or injecting ads. Also, remember that your personal security practices, like keeping your Beam Wallet seed phrase safe and using strong passwords, remain paramount. Ultimately, whether you need a VPN for Beam Wallet depends on your personal privacy and security comfort level. Beam offers robust on-chain privacy by design. A VPN complements this by anonymizing your network connection, making it even more challenging for external parties to link your online activity to your identity. If you prioritize maximum privacy and want to obscure your crypto activities from your ISP or potential snoopers on public networks, then a VPN is a valuable addition to your security toolkit when using Beam Wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.